Hello, y'all. It is Danielle Jones with Large Family Homestead. How are you? So, something that we love to do in the month of August, and it's almost here, is the Every Bit Counts Challenge run by Jessica at Three Rivers Homestead. It's something that she has done for a long time, and we've tried to participate every year. I don't think that we did last year. I think that we thought it was in September instead of August. I'm not sure what happened. But this year we are ready. We are doing things. So we wanted to just briefly tell you about the challenge and fill you in. But first, if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can catch up with everything that we do in the month of August. I am a mom of 10, so preserving foods is important to me, especially when they're fresh. I want to make them last as long as possible. I like to avoid the grocery store as much as I can, and every year I seem to need less and less from the grocery store, which is great because of food preservation. It's not something that I grew up knowing how to do, so I am still learning and a work in progress, but Jessica at Three Rivers Homestead has been a huge inspiration to me. And I was watching her videos back before I even knew how to can, just learning all the basics and feeling so inspired by how she feeds her family. So before we even get started, if you are not following Jessica at Three Rivers Homestead, make sure you do that right now. I am positive that this mom of 9 will inspire you to do more things from cooking from scratch, definitely, and the gardening crazy. So with that said, I'm going to give you a look at what I have planned so far. I didn't write a lot down yet because as the month goes on, more and more will come up, and I know that we'll have to get to more. So let's just see what I have ready now. So in my binder of planning, I know that I am still working on elderberry. We are freezing it and then making syrup. I'm also drying and grinding cayenne peppers into a powder. I need to can beans that I got and also bucket dry goods. I need to can broth and some meat. I like to pre-make meals and desserts, so I need to restock on that. And I also need to make some big batches of granola. So the plan is that for the month of August, we will do food preservation every day from Monday to Friday, and I will video as much of it as I can, and then you can come every Friday and see what we did that week. And we would love if you are taking part in this challenge. Will you right now stick a link down below to your channel or tell us about your channel? I don't know how that works with linking and stuff. And I will try to follow you and watch your videos as well. We look forward to a great month of August. Let's fill up our pantries. Let's do every bit, even if it's small some days. Just try and do one thing to prepare food for your family.